let's see the properties of D block elements. What is the properties? These are the elements of group 3 to 12 in the center of periodic table. They lies between the center of periodic table. Center of. These are the elements of group 3 to 12 in the center of periodic table. Now come on next point. They have filling of inner d orbital. These elements have filling of inner d orbital, therefore they refer to as D block element. That's why they are called D block elements, because they have filling of inner d orbital. That's why they are called D block elements. Okay, now come on next point. Their outer electronic configuration is n-1 d1 minus 10 to ns0 to 2. You know that what is the meaning of this? You know that n is the number of shell here, and capacity of d subshell is 10 electron. That's why here n-1 d 1 to 10, and capacity of s is 2 electron. That's why here 0 to 2. Okay, so I will describe these n and quantum numbers in next classes. So here their outer electronic configuration is n-1 d 1 to 10 ns0 to 2. These are the outermost electronic configuration of D block elements. Now come on next point. They are metals. D block elements are metals. They are metals. Okay, they are metals. They mostly form colored ions. Metals mostly form colored ions, exhibit variable valence oxidation state. It means they exhibit in various oxidation state, various valency. Paramagnetism. They show paramagnetism. They are paramagnetic in character and oftenly used as catalyst. They are also used as catalyst. Now come on next point. Zinc, cadmium and mercury. Here three elements are given: zinc, cadmium and mercury. Their electronic configuration is n-1 d0 ns2. Do not show transition elements property. Do not show transition elements property. It means zinc, cadmium and mercury are exceptional. They do not show transition elements property. Okay, now come on next point. They form bridge between S block. You know S block element, I described in very detail, so you can watch for that topic my previous video. They form bridge between S block elements and less active group 13 to 14. It means group 13, 14 and S block elements are more active, 13 and 14 are less active. Transition elements form bridge between S and 13, 14 group elements. That's why they are called transition element. Okay, here S, here P, and these are called the D. They form bridge between here S block element, here S block and here P block, in between D block. They form bridge between S and P block element. That's why they call transition element. So these are the D block elements.